Tahimik ka naman dyan sa basketball ko. Dubai Mixers ay nasa aking kaliwa. Diba? Taas kamay, Dubai Mixers. Ayun.
6 points, 46-28.
Sakuragi 4. Ayan na po si Alaska Boy. Nakikita niyo po ba yung lalaki din sa Alaska ka? So yun eh. Lumaki na siya.
Varsha Community Ball, 47-28, 19-point lead in favor of Team Tecom, number 11. Jimenez.
Laban-laban o bawi-bawi.
Julian, what a Euro connects for two. Here it goes, Varsha Community.
Ate on the
17
service
point
line
lead,
for
Bermudez.
last game for tonight.
Forcing his way through.
Dubai Mixers versus
Ball on
Team
number
Sina. Team Sina ready to
21.
receive that ball. And a good receive from Ate
First
Yang.
person foul,
Ate gets the
first
ball to the
foul.
back.
Foul
Ate
move
Dima
by
binalik
number
ang
17.
bola. Nice one.
Post is fouled.
SC
Foul
binalik
on
ang bola
number
to the
5.
inside.
JM, that will be the first person foul, 17 foul, Varsha Community. Campos connects his first free throw. Missed the second one. Rebound by Ruiz. To number 10, floats, missed. Rebound by Jimenez. Bermudez again. Bermudez connects for two. Just like a warm-up. Easy two.
Score is now 2-0. What an ace for Dubai Mixers. With a strong follow from Ate. Dinirelit ni Ate for the quarter. Ate was right on the last Dinacro. Good ball ka, good ball. Ate, yeah, dinalit. Ate was right there. Pinalo ni Ate for the cross court. Ate was right there. Sinet sa open for the back to C. Number 6, Sinet ulit for the open with the drop ball. Ate was right there. Nako, Sinet ni Ate kay 11 for the cross court. Number 6 sets it again to the open. Miscommunication with that. Ate Yang sets it. 2-4 with a good drop ball.
The 15-32, 18-point lead in favor of Tecom.
Number 11 on the service line. Nireceive ni Ate 11. Good ball pa, sabi ni Ate Dima. Sinet sa open ulit. Ate with a drop ball. Good ball pa ako na open. Ate was right there. Sets the ball. Okay.
Ruiz to number 10. Number 10, stopping, tapping, missing. Rebound by number 11, pulling up, missing that one again. Rebound by number 15, and he is fouled. Sorry, it's number 16, foul on number 21. That will be your second
Ate
personal
AJ
foul.
gets the ball to the open for a deep cross court. Sinet sa likod, 22, binalik yung bola. Ate sets it to open again, naka-block inside.
Vegas to the Tony, fakes. What a good steal by Ruiz. 3-on-1 transition. Ruiz all the way, basket for two. Cutting down the lead to 16, 50, 34. Jimenez to Villegas. Villegas missed that one.
Ate Elena, the
Rotoni,
second line.
stopping,
The ball
stopping,
is
missing that one. A good pass out by
AJ.
Ruiz.
Ate gets the ball, not over.
Ruiz, what a good save. The timeout, the Barsha Community.
Ate AJ again gets the ball. So Ate AJ, pinalo ang bola to the cross court. Binalik na ate, number 18. Sakuragi, ni-receive ang bola. Ate Yang gets the ball back. Sinek for a 1-2 play sa long ball. Ano si Ate 11. Pinalo ulit ni Ate cross court. Pasok pa. Ano si Ate AJ for the coverage. One more time, Ate AJ. Nice one. What a good receive. And slip of the hand.
Ruiz drives, and he is blocked by Villegas. 17 on the shot clock. JM spinning through the basket, and he is blocked by Villegas. Jimenez. It will be an easy throw for Bermudez. 52-34, Kinantang. Ruiz. JM fakes, drives, offensive foul was called on JM. Holding foul. Keep passer, kahit na-review sa camera. Look at your second personal foul. Warning for penalty, Barsha Community. Bermudez again miss, Kilantang for that rebound. Campos picking up that loose ball. Campos sa basket for two. Vegas tear down. Walang foul. Kasi tambak ang laban.
May pa-stay down kayo. Nakala ko volleyball lang. Ayan! Good
JM
checking by
versus that one.
AJ.
Back by Campos. Ruiz pulling up. Miss. Rebound by number 12. Miss that one again. Rebound by Jimenez. Triple team. Pass to Campos. Campos a pass to Bermudez. Connects for two. Now the lead is back to 22. Not allowed to sub if it's not a dead ball, my friend. If you're a coach, you need to know that. Substitution. 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 Steve, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Zarel, 3 points. 3 minutes and 50. Ruiz forces his way through, missing that one again. Rebound will be on take-home. It's Villegas. Campos. Campos lays it in. 61-34. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Ruiz to Bilal. Bilal bumps it in. 61-36. 3 minutes and 20. Rotani connects that perimeter jumper. In the shot clock. Rotoni, 3 points.
Jessa, kamay daw ha. Jessa, kamay daw. Narinig ko yung ate AJ. Nice to see!
Easy
Para sa
two for
Ace.
Tony again.
Galing mo ni ate. Oh. Ate, pinuha.
Ruiz,
The
a
long
point
ball,
out,
ate
basket for
AJ.
Joe.
Ay! Careful. Careful. Nice hustle, ate.
Ten-second shot clock. 5 seconds. Ferrer for that rebound. Five to shoot. Good ball, good ball. Five seconds to shoot. Campos miss. Campos appropriating it back. 17:38, 50 seconds. Ruiz, 2 points. Villegas, 3 points. Rotoni fakes, drives, kicking it out to number 22. What a good steal by JM. JM to Evangelista. Evangelista lays it in. Ten in the shot clock. 5-second shot clock. Shot clock violation.
Score is now all
Speeding
15.
it up. Evangelista.
Number 22, si
Lose it
Ate
in.
Nicole. Ate
Coming
AJ
down
was
to
center.
29,
Ate Jess as the next
43-44.
open for a drop ball. Down the line.
Jimenez to number 17.
15 in favor of Team Sina.
Back to Jimenez. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 on the shot clock. We have a foul. Foul on number 13, Bilandres. The first 14 on the shot clock.
Sinet
The corner is a
Ate
block by
Yan.
Thomas.
Ate
Thomas now
Yan.
speeding up.
Ilalagay down the line.
To Evangelista, stopping, pulling up 3, miss away, followed up.
Yes, I got the ball. Naku,
By
pinagin ako.
Thomas.
Kalma lang. Si Ate Dosi, kinakahan yan. Ayan, binaball ka. Ayan.
10.
Grabe yung sabi natin, AJ. The intention is good.
Substitution. Pasok sir.
Score na 16 all.
6 seconds shot clock. 6 seconds. Technical. Albarsha Community. 6 players at the court.
Valuable yun
Basket
ah.
counts. Plus a technical free throw.
Pinalo ni Ate Nida right there. Ate Jessa gets the ball. Ate
Nobody.
Dima gets the ball to the other side. Middle again for a block. Ate Dima was right there. Kinuha ni Ate po a good cross court kill.
Bilandres. 3 seconds violation by Thomas. Number 92, the number 16 Jimenez. Bermudez again, short this time. Rebound by JN to Evangelista. Evangelista adapt to Bilandres. Off that glass, cutting out the lead to 28-76 of 48, 6 minutes and 10 seconds left in
Shout
this
out to
ball game.
Yensiga.
Villegas to Rotoni. Rotoni takes, guarded by Bilandres. Bilandres is foul. Foul number 8, substitution. Bilandres, that is your second personal foul. Second team foul, Barsha Community. And Tony connects. Rebound by Ferrer. 10 on the shot clock. 5. Villegas again. Bang, bang. JM Paglatin missed a 3. Rebound by Jimenez. What a pass. Reverse by Bermudez. Ruiz. Timeout, Barsha Community. 84-48. Back to the ball game. Again, you're 6 at the court, my friend. Evangelista Slicing through, miss, rebound by Bilal. Bilal putting it back, miss that one, rebound by Bilal again. Bilal is fouled. Foul number 26, Steve Ferrer. That is your third personal foul. First team foul, Tecom. Bilal missed the set, 2 free throws. Ibang lista with that rebound, JM. Sorry, it's Belandres. 10 on the shot clock. 5. Belandres, step back, 3. No good. Jimenez picks up that loose ball, drops it to Bermudez. But he loses control. Thomas drives it to Belandres, basket for 2. 2 minutes and 55 seconds left on this ball game. Ten shot clock. Rebound by Belandres to JM. JM all the way, basket for 2. 32-point lead in favor of Tecom. JM misses that one. Yeah, 2 minutes. 10 on the shot clock. Bermudez missed. Rebound by Villegas. Bermudez again. Basket for 2. Evangelista to Bilal. Bilal misses again. Tony, 3 points. Evangelista miss. Villegas, 3 points. Forty seconds. Belandres, Emo. Substitution daw. Wala na. 32 seconds. Thomas. Airball, Villegas. Steve Ferrer, 3 points. Congratulations, Tecom basketball. Again, thank you to the Police and Positive Spirit Council, also to Giant Sport for organizing this event. Lobat na hata. Best player of the game, number 17, Lotane. 40 points.
Malay sa puti eh. Ha? Tingnan natin sa